Hello, this is Kasim Kulov. Welcome to the 8th episode of my logo modernism series. Today we will draw Unibanco logo designed in 1964 by PVDI. Let's draw a circle of any size. Rotate it 45 degrees. Make a copy and snap it to the anchor point. For convenience, let's reset circle's rotation. Draw a line from the center of one circle to the other. Rotate the line 60 degrees and snap its end to the center of any circle. Duplicate the circle and snap its center to the other end of the line. Now, do you see that shield formed in the middle? We need to find its optical center. I will use the same line, rotate it 30 degrees and snap it like so. We don't need the bottom circle anymore. And leave the intersection of two circles around the top anchor point to its limit. Make a duplicate, rotate it 120 degrees and snap it like so. Make another copy, reflect it horizontally and snap it accordingly. Now this is an inner part of the logo. We need to draw the outer part. For that we will use offset path. Since this is just an approximation, the value is not all important. Just use any value you think looks good. So that you know what I mean by inner part, I will emphasize it. Now we need to rotate it a little bit. Click R on your keyboard, option click the optical center and apply rotation. You can remove the line now. Now the shape is actually ready. Let me apply some subtract command so that you see the final result. All that's left to do is to apply some gaps. I'm pretty sure you know how to do this, so I'm just gonna fast forward this part of the video. So this is it. Thanks for watching. For more interesting videos, do not forget to subscribe.